Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a link to your post on LinkedIn, allowing your viewers to easily access additional resources or references. Whether you're sharing an article, promoting a new product, or simply want to guide your connections to a specific website, adding a clickable link to your LinkedIn post can be incredibly beneficial. For Shopify store owners, this is a great way to drive traffic to your product pages, blog posts, landing pages, or even special offers. First things first, head over to linkedin.com and log into your account. If you're not already a member, you'll need to set up a profile to get started. But assuming most of you are familiar with LinkedIn's platform, the login process should be straightforward. Make sure you're logged into the account you use to represent your business or professional brand. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, you'll notice a section at the top of your feed that says Start a Post. This is your gateway to sharing insights and updates with your network. Click on Start a Post. This is where you can craft your message. It's a good idea to provide some context or an introduction to why you're sharing the specific link. For example, you might briefly explain what someone will learn, gain, or discover after clicking. This not only grabs the attention of your connections, but also gives them a reason to click through. Now it's time to add your link. You can simply copy your desired URL, whether it's from a news article, a personal blog, your Shopify product page, or any other website you wish to highlight. Once you've copied that link to your clipboard, go back to your LinkedIn post and paste it directly into the body of your message. You can place it at the end of your text or right after your introduction. Both work well depending on your style. As you paste it, LinkedIn's platform will usually generate a preview of the link. This preview can help provide a visual element to your post, making it more engaging and easier for people to understand what they're clicking on. After you've made sure everything looks good and your link is in place, the next and final step is to click the Post button. This is located at the bottom right corner of your post draft box. By hitting Post, your message, along with the clickable link, will be shared with your network and appear in their feeds. It's important to note that while links provide streamlined access to additional content, the way you frame your post is crucial. Encourage engagement by posing a question or inviting feedback in your post content, such as asking for opinions or experiences. Always aim to add value or share information that's relevant to your audience, whether that's a helpful resource, a quick tip, or a behind-the-scenes look at your business. This helps foster meaningful interactions within your network. This simple process empowers you to effectively disseminate information and enhance your networking efforts. It enables you to leverage LinkedIn not just as a professional resume, but as a platform for influencing and sharing knowledge. Once you've mastered this, you can make your post more dynamic, drive targeted traffic to your Shopify store, and potentially reach a wider audience with pivotal information. That's it for today. By following these steps, you can easily add a clickable link to your LinkedIn post, making your online interactions more impactful and informative. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay updated with more such tips and tricks.